In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Forms thank you page. If you've ever wanted to customize what people see right after they submit your form, this is exactly what you need. Google Forms shows a confirmation message the moment someone hits submit. Editing that message lets you say thanks in your own voice, set expectations about next steps, and even share helpful links. You don't need any add-ons or code, just your form and a minute of time. First, open your Google form in edit mode. This is the main builder view where you can add questions and adjust settings. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can edit the form. If you have multiple forms, pick the one you want to update so you're changing the correct confirmation message. At the top of the form editor, look for the toolbar that includes questions, responses, and settings. Click Settings. This is where Google Forms keeps options that control how your form behaves, what respondents see, and how the experience feels from start to finish. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Presentation. Click to expand the Presentation dropdown. These options control the way your form appears to respondents, including progress indicators and the message they'll see after submitting. Now locate the confirmation message area and click Edit. This opens the text box where you can rewrite the thank you message. Whatever you type here is exactly what respondents will see once they submit the form. Keep it clear and friendly. For example, confirm that their response was received, let them know when they can expect a reply or result, and include simple next steps if there are any. You can also paste a plain link like a website or calendar booking page, and it will be clickable for respondents. Avoid sensitive information or internal notes. This message is public to anyone who completes the form. Aim for 1 to 3 short sentences, so it's easy to read on desktop and mobile. If your form has a deadline or processing time, add that for clarity. If you collect multiple responses or limit submissions, this message won't change those rules. It only changes what people see after submitting. Your changes save automatically. To double check, you can preview the form and submit a quick test response to see the message in action. If you're working on a multi-section form, remember the confirmation message appears only after the final submit. That's all it takes. Open your form, go to Settings, expand Presentation, edit the confirmation message, and you're done. Customize it once, and every respondent gets a clearer, more helpful experience.